Today we're going to look at a great accessory for your Omnia Oven. This is the Omnia Storage Bag. Let's open it up. We'll take the oven itself, the silicone muffin ring, the baking rack, and the two silicone rings, which are still in their boxes. We haven't used it yet. Look at that, it all fits. This storage bag is much larger than the bag that comes with the oven. This can hold all your accessories and is made out of very sturdy, strong materials. We'll put a link below so you can get your own. Until next time, happy trails.